Hello there, I'm Ali, a foreigner who has called China home for the past 10 years. Over the years, I've discovered a fascinating world of cars, motorcycles, and stores. From new vehicles hitting the street to incredible automotive culture. Something is different here that you won't find anywhere else. Welcome to Panda Auto Lab, aka PAL. Whether you are a seasoned mechanic, a passionate driver, or just someone who loves vehicles, you are welcome here to explore, comment, share, and engage. At PAL, we'll discuss how vehicles are made, sold, used, repaired, and recycled in China, from A to Z, from design and performance to unique features, from tools to anything in between, we break it all down. This channel isn't just about me, it's about you. Suggest topics, share your expertise, compare, comment, vote in polls, and tell the community your POV. What could have been done different? How would you handle the job, or the accident, or whatsoever? Share your vehicle's dashcam, footage, incidents, stories, and insights. PAL will feature them with commentary, humor, and polls to initiate conversations. Together, we'll explore, learn, and grow. Hit that subscribe button and share your stories, and let's make PAL the ultimate automotive community. باتری خرید. مرسی. یه چی دیگه بایش میدیم یه زمونه روشن میشه. خاموش شدی چرا دوباره؟ دوست دارم.